What is up, Floki Coin Vikings? You're tuned in to the most up-to-date, no-fluff Floki coin analysis. We're diving deep into the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to give you the exact price target I think is happening in the 24 to 72 hours range. First, let's look at the overall trend. Floki coin currently trading below multiple key moving averages, EMA 20, 40 and 48 and 80. Guys, that is a textbook signal for a short-term bearish reversal. Even more telling, our 20 EMA is starting to curl downwards. This is the fast-moving average, signaling that downside momentum is likely to increase. Now let's check out the indicators. MACD, we have a red histogram, and critically, the MACD line has crossed below the signal line. This is a classic powerful bearish momentum signal on the 4-hour chart. And when it comes to the RSI, the relative strength index is hanging out near the 31 to 32 zone. It's close to oversold territory, but it hasn't flashed that strong reversal strength we need. When you have a low RSI paired with a bearish EMAs, it often means there is more downside to go before buyers are stepping in. And I think the buyers will actually be stepping in at around this level here, because as you see in the past here, we had a downward trend and then following with a upward trend. So this is where the buyers went in. So if we decide to go down to this level here again, I think we could actually go to this level and then to the upside. I will give you a price prediction where I think the price is going to be headed after this downward trend. But before we do this, I want to show you something I just found. So on the divergence indicator here, we see when it went down to this level, it usually bounced and went up again. And when it almost close to the red line there, we had a downward trend again, because buyers are stepping in at this level here and sellers are stepping in at this level. So a lot of people are buying and selling at these levels here. Okay, that's something you really need to note, okay? Because from I create this video to it actually gets online on my channel, the price has probably gone down to this level here. So then the price prediction will be different than what I'm seeing on the chart here now. So me personally, if we see a downward trend and it goes to this level, when you watch the video, I will probably wait and follow along on the buyer pressure. Okay, what I mean with buying pressure is any volume indicator or something you have on TradingView, 100% free, you want to follow along on the red candles here and green. So when we go to this level down here, you really want to see how much buying pressure is stepping in. Green candles, buying pressure, red candles, selling pressure. For the price to increase, you want to see a lot of freaking buying pressure and green candles in here. Okay, so this is where people are stepping in and buying, and this is where people usually take profit. Okay? In 2 seconds, I will give you a exact price prediction, what I'm personally going to do, but just want to show you something. This Christmas soda is one of the best Christmas sodas there is, Norwegian soda. Just wanted to say that. The following trading strategies, I will give you 2 different trading strategies for Floki coin. One is the strategy I'm going to give you right now, and entry around this level if the price goes down. So this is a price prediction if it already goes down and you want to do a long position. You do an entry at 43.11 there, 0.40 and 43.11. Always have a stop loss. Do not come to me and say you blew up your trading account because you didn't have a stop loss. Have a stop loss at 41.71, or a good measure to do is never have a stop loss more than -2%. Okay, that's a very important step if you want to be profitable in trading. Take profit is going to be, first trade profit is at 47.33 and second take profit is at 49.29. The second trading strategy is entry at 45.00 and stop loss 42.50, and we have 3 take profit targets here. So the first take profit is at 48.50 and the second profit taking target is 50.00 and third profit taking is 51 34. As you see, I put the take profit target number 3 at the red line there and stop loss around just below the blue line there. So these are obvious places where buying pressure steps in and where selling pressure steps in. Okay, very important targets. So if you want to note that down, you can note down 51.34 as take profit targets and 43.04 as buying pressure steps in target. So this was all for today's Floki Coin video. I hope you got some value out of this video. Make sure you follow along and always use a stop loss when you're trading, and look at those levels where buying pressure stepped in and where selling pressure stepped in, because those are very important targets where you can bounce, buy at the where buyer steps in and sell where usually sellers steps in. That's a great strategy to use overall. Okay, you can check out the indicators. I will have it below this video, and most importantly, I will also have links to some exchanges. And make sure you follow along and comment your thoughts, what you think about Floki Coin and where you think Floki Coin will go next. Floki Coin will never go to $1. I think that's not possible. Maybe in 100 years, okay, but then we'll all be gone. So that's not the possibility for the short term. Okay, have a great day. Take care. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.